Connectivity of landscapes like the central Victorian Biolinks is so important because, well, really most Australians aren't aware that landscapes like this sit as part of a much larger network of connected habitats that run right the way across eastern Australia, from Western Victoria right the way along the eastern seaboard and the Great Dividing Range to far north Queensland and the Cape York Peninsula. Now that landscape supports a whole different range of movements for wildlife, some that are just moving around the landscape going about their business on a day-to-day basis, others that from a seasonal point of view they disperse out from where they were born as they're growing up and looking for new habitats and new home ranges of their own. And then there's another group of species that most Australians sort of are aware of because they'll hear bird sounds in the backyard that are different at different times of the year, or different butterflies that are coming through their garden. But most people haven't really thought about and understood the fact that up to 60% of our forest and woodland birds migrate right the way across eastern Australia, sometimes as far north as Indonesia and Papua New Guinea, and sometimes as far south as Tasmania. And the landscapes such as central Victorian Biolinks maintain those types of movement because they are connected at different scales.